Vicks VapoRub is primarily a mentholated topical ointment used for cough suppression and muscle aches. However, due to its strong smell and the ingredients it contains, it can be used as a home remedy to repel certain pests. In this video, we'll explore the best way to use it and what pests it's best used against. You'll be amazed how versatile this ointment is. 1. Mosquitoes. Using Vicks VapoRub to repel mosquitoes is a popular home remedy. Here's how you can use it effectively. Rub a small amount of Vicks VapoRub on exposed skin areas. The strong scent of menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil can help keep mosquitoes at bay. Focus on areas like the ankles, wrists, neck, and behind the ears. Remember to reapply the VapoRub every few hours as its scent can fade over time. You can also place open jars of Vicks VapoRub in areas where mosquitoes are a problem. You can put it near windows, doors, or even under your bed to keep mosquitoes out of your sleeping area. Using Vicks VapoRub can be a handy trick for keeping mosquitoes away, especially if Vicks is all you have on hand. 2. Flies. To repel houseflies using Vicks VapoRub, you can utilize its strong scent as a deterrent. Here are several methods you can try. You can create a fly repellent zone by smearing Vicks VapoRub on small strips of cloth or pieces of paper and place them around areas where flies gather, such as near garbage bins, kitchen counters, or outdoor eating areas. Place open containers of Vicks VapoRub around your home, especially in areas where flies tend to gather. Key spots include near windows, doors, and around garbage bins. You can also mix a small amount of Vicks VapoRub with water in a bowl. Place the bowl in areas where flies are commonly seen. The evaporating menthol can help to repel flies. 3. Ants. Using Vicks VapoRub to repel ants can be an effective and simple home remedy. The strong scent and the texture of Vicks can deter ants from entering certain areas. Here's how you can use it. Find where the ants are coming into your home. Common entry points include cracks in walls, gaps around windows and doors, and other small openings. Rub a small amount of Vicks VapoRub directly onto the entry points where ants are getting in. You can use a cotton swab or your finger to apply it. Make sure to cover cracks and crevices, window sills, and door thresholds. You can also create barriers in areas where ants are commonly seen or where you want to keep them away. Apply Vicks VapoRub along the edges of countertops, around the base of trash cans, and along the backs of cabinets. If you see ant trails, disrupt them by applying Vicks VapoRub directly along their path. This can help break their scent trail and prevent other ants from following. By applying Vicks VapoRub strategically around your home, you can create an effective barrier that helps keep ants at bay. 4. Spiders. You can use Vicks VapoRub to repel spiders by leveraging its strong smell to deter them from entering certain areas. Eucalyptus and menthol in Vicks VapoRub are scents spiders hate. Rub a small amount of Vicks VapoRub around the entry points where spiders might come in. Use a cotton swab or your finger to apply it. This will provide a barrier which spiders are unlikely to cross. If you see spider webs, you can also disrupt their webs by applying Vicks VapoRub near them. This can discourage spiders from rebuilding their webs in the same spot. 5. Cockroaches. Using Vicks VapoRub to repel cockroaches can be a useful part of a broader pest control strategy. The strong menthol smell can deter cockroaches and discourage them from entering treated areas. Apply Vicks VapoRub around areas where you store food or where you don't want cockroaches to go, such as pantry shelves, but not directly on food or around the base of food storage containers and near pet food bowls. If you see cockroach trails, disrupt them by applying Vicks VapoRub along their path. This can help break their scent trail and prevent other cockroaches from following. 6. Rats and mice. Vicks is made with a mixture of mint, eucalyptus, and other essential oils. Mice, like most rodents, avoid the smell of Vicks VapoRub at all costs. You can use cotton balls or yarn soaked in Vicks to keep them out of some places. Baseboards behind appliances and cabinets and around food storage areas are all good places to place your cotton balls or yarn dabbed with Vicks. If you've identified areas where mice have nested or are likely to nest, applying Vicks VapoRub in these locations to discourage them from staying is also a good idea. 7. Gnats. Vicks VapoRub contains cedar leaf oil, which is a natural insect repellent. Just rub a little on your skin. You don't have to rub it all over, just apply small dabs on your ankles, wrists, neck, inner elbows, knees, and behind your ears. The smell of the menthol in it will repel the insects away. You can also rub it on any mosquito bites you may already have, and it will relieve the itching. 8. Bed bugs. Vicks VapoRub scents also work well in getting rid of bed bugs. Put a little bit of it on the bottom and inside seams of mattresses and nearby cracks. Especially target any areas you found these annoying creatures scurrying about at night. Another good remedy is to smear Vicks around your bed legs, perimeter of the bed, and the head or footboard. Applying Vicks VapoRub around these areas creates a barrier they can't penetrate and cross. 9. Silverfish. You might find silverfish bugs in your bathroom because they love warm, damp areas. These insects need moisture to survive and reproduce, so bathrooms are often the perfect environment for silverfish. Sinks, showers, toilets, leaky faucets, and tubs all provide the conditions silverfish need to thrive. Vicks contains cedar leaf oil and lavender, which are natural insect repellents. Mix 1 teaspoon of Vicks VapoRub with 1 liter of boiling water in a spray bottle. Lightly spray places where you're finding these creatures to keep them out. 10. Moths. To repel moths, apply Vicks VapoRub in areas prone to infestation. Rub a small amount on cotton balls and place them in closets, drawers, and storage boxes. The strong scent will deter moths from laying eggs or feeding on fabrics. Refresh the application periodically to maintain its effectiveness. 11. Beetles. To keep beetles at bay, apply Vicks around windowsills, door frames, and any entry points. The strong scent acts as a barrier, preventing beetles from entering the home. Refresh the application regularly to ensure it remains effective over time. 12. Earwigs. For earwig control, use Vicks VapoRub around garden borders and in flower beds. Apply it to the stems of plants or create a barrier by rubbing it on garden stakes. The strong menthol scent repels earwigs and keeps them away from your plants. 13. Wasps. For wasps, place Vicks VapoRub around areas where they commonly build nests, such as eaves, porches, and windows. Apply it to the edges of outdoor furniture or patios. The mentholated scent deters wasps and encourages them to nest elsewhere. Be mindful of reapplying after rain or cleaning. 14. Fleas. To deter fleas, use Vicks on pet bedding and carpets. Lightly spread a small amount of Vicks on your pet's collar or bed, being careful to avoid direct skin contact. The menthol odor helps repel fleas. Vacuuming regularly and maintaining a clean environment complements this approach. Finally, although Vicks VapoRub is considered safe for most users, certain precautions should be taken. It's important to follow usage instructions as directed on the packaging. The ointment should not be ingested or applied to broken skin. It's also crucial to keep VapoRub away from the eyes and other sensitive areas to prevent irritation. For children under 2 years old, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before use. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to effectively get rid of pests with Dawn dish soap. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.